Welcome to Marine Electrical Made Easy. In this video, we will understand what marine cable are and why they are very important on ships. A marine cable is a special electrical cable designed specifically for shipboard use. It is used to connect generators, main switchboards, motor, pumps, lighting circuits, navigation equipments, alarms, cranes and emergency systems, etc. The main purpose of a marine cable is to transmit electrical power and signal safely, even in the harsh marine environment. On ships, cables must withstand vibration, moisture, oil, heat, salt atmosphere and mechanical damage. Now let us see the basic construction of a marine cable. A marine cable has several protective layers. First is the conductor. The conductor carries the electrical current. Next is the insulation. Insulation prevents current leakage and avoids short circuits between conductors. Then we have the inner sheath or bedding. This layer protects the insulated cores. After that comes the armor. Armor gives mechanical protection to the cable, especially where there is a risk of damage. Finally, there is an outer sheath. This outer layer protects the cable from oil, moisture, chemical abrasion and rough shipboard conditions. Most marine cables are stranded tinned copper conductors. Copper is used because it has very good electrical conductivity. This means it can carry current efficiently with less resistance. The conductor is made of many small copper strands instead of one solid conductor, and it can also withstand vibration, which is very common on ships due to engines, pumps, compressors and ship movement. The copper is tinned to protect it from corrosion caused by moisture and salty seawater atmosphere. Therefore, stranded tinned copper is ideal for marine cable installation in safety trays, machinery spaces and other shipboard locations. Now let us understand the insulation material used in marine cables. Insulation is very important because it prevents leakage current and protects against short circuits. Common insulation materials are PVC, XLPE, EPR and silicone rubber. PVC means polyvinyl chloride. It is commonly used and economical. XLPE means cross-linked polyethylene. It has good electrical strength and can withstand higher temperatures. EPR means ethylene propylene rubber. It is flexible and suitable for demanding marine application. Silicone rubber is mainly used for high temperature applications. Among these materials, XLPE is commonly preferred in marine cables because it has good insulation strength, better heat resistance and reliable performance. So in this video we learned what a marine cable is, its basic construction, conductor material and insulation materials. Marine cables are specially designed to provide safe and reliable electrical supply in the different conditions found on board ships. Thank you for watching Marine Electrical Made Easy. Please like, share and subscribe for more simple marine electrical topics. Thank you.